So the heat is on high. We melted here some butter. We add a bit of olive oil with some water. A bit of parsley and coriander. The red pepper. Looks so good. And now we add the spices, some pink salt, a little bit of sweet chili powder, garlic powder, and a little bit of the fish spice mix. Currently cooking. Smells so good already. Yum. Okay, so we took some oil that was in the vegetables and we're going to use it to cook the fish. Okay, so now it's time to cook the scallops. We took some oil that was from the vegetables and we're going to use it to cook the scallops, and the temperature is going to be really high. Now we will add the lemon juice. And a little bit of pink salt. With again some sweet chili powder, the fish spice mix, and the garlic powder. And we mix it all. So now the scallops are ready. Okay, so it only took 3 minutes to cook them, and now we'll be able to move to the next step. Okay, so we're going to put again some olive oil, and we're going to be ready to cook the shrimp. The coriander parsley mix with some lemon juice, and we'll be able to add the spices. Again, we added some sweet chili powder, salt, the fish spice mix, and the garlic powder. So for the filling of the pastilla, we will use this vermicelli. You can get it at any store and it's really cheap.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, so to cook the vermicelli, we used all the juices from the shrimp, the scallops, the vegetables, and we added 2 cups of water, some harissa, with 2 tablespoons of butter. We then added some lemon juice and some chili powder, fish spice mix, and garlic powder. Some turmeric powder to have like this golden color. And for the vermicelli, you can add as much as you like. Some people like the pastilla with a lot of vermicelli. We like it with like half seafood and half vermicelli, so we're not going to put a lot. So this is what we're going to put for the vermicelli, but it's up to you guys if you'd like to add more harissa, if you'd like to add some pepper or more salt. It's really up to you. Okay, after a few minutes you can add more water so it doesn't become dry, and you wait for it to cook, but it cooks really fast. When the vermicelli is ready, you can add 3 tablespoons of soy sauce, and this will add full grain flavor to the vermicelli. So we're going to use some canola oil with some chili powder and 2 spoons of butter with some pink salt, and we're going to mix it all together. This mixture is going to be used to batter the pastry sheets, and this changes everything. It gives a golden color to our pastry sheets, and it also gives it a bit more flavor.
On va mélanger les légumes avec la vermicelle.
Okay, so we're going to mix the vegetables with the vermicelli.
Je vais ajouter un petit peu de persil, de coriandre.
And we're going to add the coriander and parsley.
Et les olives.
And the green olives. Okay, so we actually just cut the vermicelli. We cut it with the vegetables, mix with it with the olives. And this looks so good. And it actually smells so good too. Then after cutting it, we can mix it all. And you can see it's already in small parts. So it's going to be easier to fill our... For the bottom, we're going to use 5 pastry sheets. So she will show you guys how to layer it all. So that's the 3rd one. Fourth one. Okay, so we're going to start building our pastilla. So at the bottom, we put our vermicelli mixture. And we're finishing, topping with cheese. So this is it for the main dish. We have our fish pastilla here, Moroccan dish, really good, really tasty.